Question number 79. What was the total milk production of Bihar in the financial year 2020 to 21? The total milk production of Bihar was 115 lakh tons in the financial year 2020 to 21. Right option D, 115 lakh tons. Next question. Bihar's first national skill institute will be established at Darbhanga. Right option will be B. Bihar's first national skill institute will be established at Darbhanga. It will be the first institute of national skill development where girls and boys would be trained. This institute will be established in line with Sat Nischay Yojana Part 2nd of Bihar government. Next question. Which of the following districts is surrounded by thickest deciduous forest area? West Champaran district. Right option will be A. वेस्ट चंपारण डिस्ट्रिक्ट में वेरी डेंस फॉरेस्ट का एरिया है, वो है 249.19 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर। उसके बाद सेकंड पे आता है मुंगेर, जहाँ पे वेरी डेंस फॉरेस्ट का एरिया 37.97 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर है। उसके बाद जमुई, वहाँ पे 28.97 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर वेरी डेंस फॉरेस्ट है। उसके बाद है लखीसराय, जहाँ पे 17 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर वेरी डेंस फॉरेस्ट एरिया है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हिच इज द मोस्ट वाइडली स्पोकन नेटिव लैंग्वेज इन बिहार? मैथिली. राइट ऑप्शन विल बी ए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हाट वाज द अवेलेबल पावर जनरेशन कैपेसिटी इन बिहार इन द फाइनेंशियल ईयर 2020 to 21? 6,422 megawatt. Right option will be D. In the year 2019-20, it was 6,073 megawatt, and in the year 2021, it has become 6,422 megawatt. Next question. Which mobile app has been launched by the Agriculture Department in Bihar to provide digital farmer services? Bihan. Right option will be A. Bihan means Bihar Horticulture, Agriculture, Natural. Next question. In which district is Kusheshwar Bird Sanctuary located? Darbhanga. In Darbhanga, right option will be D. Next question. The central government announced the setting up of the Indian Institute of Tourism and Travel Management at which of the following places? At Bodh Gaya. Right option will be C. Next question. On the basis of per capita gross district domestic product figures, the three poorest districts are Kishanganj, Araria and Shiwhar. Kishanganj, Araria and Shiwhar. Right option will be D. Next question. In the year 2019 to 20, which of the following sectors made the most significant contribution in the economies of Bihar? Tertiary sector, that means service sector. Right option will be C. Next question. Due to the effect of lockdown due to COVID-19, the gross state domestic product of Bihar has increased. Right option will be B. In 2020 to 21, the gross state domestic product of Bihar increased only by 2.5% due to the effect of the lockdown due to COVID-19. But this performance is better than the national average, as the Indian economy definitely shrank by 7.2% in 2020 to 21. Next question. Which of the following temple is not located in Gaya district of Bihar? Vishnupad temple, Mahabodhi temple and Sri Lankan temple are in Gaya, but Purna Devi temple is in Purnia. So right option will be C. Next question. The longest national highway passing through Bihar is NH31 with length 404 km. 404 km. Right option will be A. Next question. Arwal, the newest district of Bihar, has been formed after bifurcation of which district? Jahanabad. Right option will be C. Next question. In which district is the hot water source of Bihar state located? Rajgir, Nalanda. Right option will be B. Next question. The percentage of subsidy grant announced by the government for the farmers cultivating tea in Bihar. Under the special horticulture crop scheme, the benefit of 50% subsidy is being given to the farmers cultivating tea in Bihar. Right option will be B, 50%. Next question, in which of the following district is the only national park of Bihar located? Valmiki Nagar National Park, Valmiki Nagar Tiger Reserve in West Champaran district. Right option will be D. Next question, in which of the following years an agreement was signed for Gandak multi-purpose project? This project is a joint project of Government of India and Nepal. An agreement was concluded between the Government of India and Nepal for this project in 1959 and work was started in 1960. So right option will be B, 1959. Next question, the first district of Bihar where all panchayats have libraries is. Libraries have been opened in 230 panchayats of Purnia district. Right option will be A. Next question, Kosi river enters Bihar from which place? Bhimnagar of Supaul district. Right option will be D. Next question, in the rail budget 2022 to 23, how many Vande Bharat trains have been announced by the central government to run from Patna? 2. Right option will be B. Both these trains will start from Patna Junction and Rajendra Nagar terminal. Next question, which one of the following rivers does not flow in the south plain of the Ganges? The Bagmati river does not flow in the southern part of the Ganges. Bagmati, so right option will be C. Next question, the source of water in Tribeni Canal is Gandak. Right option will be C. Next question, as per census 2011, which of the following communities has the lowest population percentage in Bihar? Buddhist. Right option will be D. According to the census 2011, the number of people who believe in Buddhism in Bihar is 0.02% of the total population, while Christians are 0.12%, Sikhs 0.2%, and Muslims 16.87%. The maximum number of Hindus in Bihar is 82.69%. Next question, net per capita income of Bihar was what percent of per capita income of India in 2019-20? 32.9%. Right option will be D. Next question, in the Union Budget 2022 to 23, what amount is estimated to received by Bihar in the form of share from central taxes? 81,000 crores. Right option will be B. In the Union Budget presented on February 1st, 2022, Bihar is estimated to receive an amount of 81,000 crores as a share of central taxes in the current financial year. The share received by the states from the central tax pool has been increased by 9.5%. As a result, Bihar will get an additional 7,000 crore rupees in the new financial year. Next question, during the COVID-19 pandemic, the state government of Bihar had announced to give how many rupees to each construction laborer in 2020? 2,000 rupees. Right option will be D. Next question, recently which state government has decided to run Bal Mitra Card scheme? Bihar government has decided to run Bal Mitra Card scheme across the state to eradicate child labor in the state. Apart from stopping illegal child labor through this Bal Mitra Card, trafficking of children will also be monitored. So right option will be A, Bihar. Next question, in the year 2020-21, which of the following incurred the maximum expenditure from the consolidated fund of the government of Bihar? Social services. Right option will be B. In the year 2020-21, maximum expenditure of 79,187 crore was spent on social services. 51,954 crore on general services and 33,604 crores on economic services from the accumulated fund of Bihar government. Next question, which IAS officer of Bihar was honored by the Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi with the Prime Minister's Award for Excellence in Public Administration? Anand Kishore, Chairman of Bihar School Examination Board, PSEB. Right option will be C. Next question, the quota of ethanol in the state has increased from 18.5 crore liters to how many crore liters? 36 crore liters. Right option will be B. The quota of ethanol in the state has been increased from 18.5 crore liters to 36 crore liters. The state government has kept a budget estimate of 1,643.74 crores 74 crores for the industries department in the financial year 2022 to 23. An investment of rupees 30,382 crore is proposed in ethanol production. 151 units have been approved for ethanol production. Next question, in the aspirational district ranking for March 2022 of Niti Aayog, the top first position went to Muzaffarpur at top position, Purnia at second position, and Mewat district of Haryana at third position in Niti Aayog's aspirational district ranking for March 2022. So right option will be A, Muzaffarpur at top. Muzaffarpur first, Purnia second, and Mewat third. Mewat district of Haryana third. Next question, the first district of Bihar where advisory committees of three-tier panchayats started functioning for the first time. Shivhar has become the first district of Bihar where consultative committees started functioning in the first three-tier panchayats. So right option will be A, Shivhar. Next question, which of the following statement is false? The first Buddhist council was organized in 483 BC. Yes, this council was organized in the Saptaparni cave of Rajgir. Yes, this is right. This council was presided over by Mahakasyapa. Yes. At this time, the ruler of Magad was Bimbisara, not Bimbisara, Ajatasattu. At this time, the ruler of Magad was Ajatasattu. So, right option will be D. Next question, which of the following statement is false? Gopal, the ruler of the Pala dynasty, had built the Odantapuri Mutt University. Yes. Dharampala's reign lasted from 770 to 810 AD. Yes. Dharampala attacked Kannauj and appointed Chakrayudh as the ruler of Kannauj. Yes. Dharampala assumed the title of Uttarapatha. Yes, all of the above statements are correct. So right option will be E, all of the above. Gopal established the Pala dynasty. His reign was from 750 to 770 AD. He ruled over Bihar and Bengal. Dharampala established Bikramshila University in Bhagalpur and donated 200 villages for the maintenance of Nalanda University. Next question, according to the Bihar budget 2022 to 23, what is the rank of Bihar in fish production in India? Fourth, right option will be D. Bihar ranks fourth in fish production in India. Fish production in Bihar was 2.88 lakh metric tons in the year 2011-12, which increased to 6.83 lakh metric tons in the year 2020-21. The annual per capita availability of fish in Bihar is 9.6 kg. Next question, consider the following statements. Sevak Ram and Ishwari Prasad belong to the Patna Kalam painting style. Yes. Bhagwati Devi is related to Madhubani painting. Yes. Chakravarti Devi is related to Manjusha style. Yes. So 1, 2, 3, right option will be D. Next question, which of the following statements is false? Nabha Nedista, the son of Manu, founded the Vaisalika dynasty in Vaisali. Yes. Angraj was first mentioned in the Atharva Veda. Yes. The first description of Videha is found in Satpath Brahmin. Yes. Chandana, the daughter of Angaraja Dadhivahan, was first woman to accept the religion of Buddha, not religion of Buddha. Chandana, the daughter of Angaraja Dadhivahan, was the first woman to accept the religion of Mahavira, Jainism. So, option D is false, and the right option will be D. King Dadhivahan married his daughter Chandana to Udayan. The last king of his dynasty was Brahmadatta. In his time, King Bimbisara of Magad attacked Anga and merged it into his kingdom. Next question: which of the following statements is false? Paleolithic sites in Bihar are Munger, Nalanda. Mesolithic site in Bihar is Munger. Neolithic site in Bihar are Chirand of Saran district and Chechar of Vaishali district. No. Chalcolithic sites in Bihar are Chirand of Saran district and Chechar of Vaishali district. Yes. So right option will be E, more than one statements are false. E. This is because there are Chalcolithic sites in Bihar, Chirand of Saran district, Chechar of Vaishali district, Sonpur of Gaya district, Taradih of Bodh Gaya, Senuar of Sasaram district, Oriap of Bhagalpur district, Pand of Samastipur district, Goda Katra of Rajgir, and Maner of Patna district. Next question: which of the following statements is false? Vidyapati composed the book Kirti Lata and Kirti Pataka, which is a non-Persian work for the study of medieval Bihar. Yes. Archaeology has a special importance for the information of medieval Bihar, and it has been received from Bihar Sharif, Patna and Sasaram. Yes. Many European travelers, Ralph Fish, John Marshall, etc., came to Bihar, whose description gives information about medieval Bihar. Yes. Information about Bihar is not available in Mughal sources. No. So, statement D is false. Right option will be D. Information about Mughal period in Bihar is available from Abul Fazl's Akbarnama and Muhammad Qasim's Alamgirnama. And information about post-Mughal period is available from Ghulam Hussein's Tabatbais, Sir-ul-Mutakhirin, Karim Ali's Muzaffarnama, Raja Kalyan Singh's revealed Tariq. Apart from this, information about Bihar is also obtained from Tujke Babri and Jahangir's book Tujke Jahangiri, composed by Babur. Next question: in the financial year 2022 to 23, how many Jivika Didis will be linked to the Dairy Cooperative Society in Bihar? 1.5 lakh. Right option will be B. In the financial year 1.5 lakh will join Jivika Didi Dairy Cooperative Society. Jivika Didi, in association with Comfed, has formed 854 dairy cooperative societies in the state. At present, about 42,457 Jivika Didis are associated with these committees, which has been increased to a target of 1.5 lakh this year. Next question: consider the following statements. Tabaqat-e-Nasri was composed by Minhaj-us-Siraj. Yes. Tariq-e-Firozshahi was composed by Ziauddin Barni. Yes. Tujke Babri was composed by Babur. Yes. Muzaffarnama was composed by Muhammad Qasim. No. Muzaffarnama was composed by Karim Ali, while Muhammad Qasim composed Alamgirnama. So 1, 2 and 3. Right option will be 1, 2, 3 D. Next question: which of the following statements is false? The Chera kingdom in Bihar expanded into the district of Shahabad, Saran, Champaran, Muzaffarpur and Palamu. Yes. A chieftain of Muhammad bin Tughlaq campaigned against the Cheras. Yes. Kukum Chand was the chief of the Cheras of Bhojpur. Yes. The most powerful king of the Cheras of Palamu was Mansingh, not Mansingh. No, it's not correct. Not Mansingh, Medini Rai. Right option will be D. In 1572 CE, the kingdom of Cheras was established in Palamu. In 1589 AD, Man Singh came as the governor of Bihar and sent a campaign against the Cheras, in which the Cheras were defeated. But after the death of Akbar, the Cheras regained their independence. The most powerful king of the Cheras of Palamu was Medini Rai, who defeated the king of Khukhra in the east and extended his kingdom to Gaya district in the north. Next question: which of the following statements is not true? Patna is an important pilgrimage center for the Sikhs. Here on 26 December 1666, the 10th Guru of the Sikhs, Guru Gobind Singh, was born in Patna. Yes. Guru Nanak, the founder of Sikhism, had visited Bihar. Yes. Tej Bahadur, the 9th Guru of the Sikhs, had come to Patna in the course of his journey. Yes. Aurangzeb got Guru Gobind Singh arrested and sentenced to death on 11 November 1675. Not. This statement is not correct. Aurangzeb got Guru Tegh Bahadur arrested and on November 11, 1675, he was sentenced to death. So, right option will be D. Guru Gobind Singh stayed in Patna for 7 years. On the order of Guru Tegh Bahadur, Guru Gobind Singh went to Anandpur. In July 1675 AD, Aurangzeb got Guru Tegh Bahadur arrested and on November 11, 1675, he was sentenced to death. After that, on March 29, 1676, Guru Gobind Singh formally assumed the position of Guru. Next question: match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer from the quotes given below. List 1 writer, list 2 works. Baba Nagarjun wrote Batesar Nath. Yes, तो वन ए से जो मैच होगा 1 होगा. राहुल संकीर्त्यायन ने लिखा बुधाचार्य, तो बी का 2 हो जाएगा यहाँ पे. रामधारी सिंह दिनकर ने लिखा रेणुका, तो ये भी सी का 3 हो जाएगा. फणीश्वरनाथ रेणु का जुलूस है, सो डी का 4 हो जाएगा. तो 1 2 3 4, राइट ऑप्शन विल बी ए 1 2 3 4. Next question: what percentage of total exports of the country is exported from Bihar? 0.5%. Right option will be D. 0.5% of the country's total exports are exported from Bihar. There is a plan to increase the country's export to 10% by the year 2025. Bihar ranks 30th among 36 states in the country in the Export Preparedness Index. Next question: which of the following statements is true? The Portuguese were the first among all the European companies who came to Bihar. Yes. Dutch factory was established in Patna College in 1632. So right option will be E, more than 1. Patna College Dutch factory was established in 1632. Of all the European companies that came to India, first the Portuguese, then Dutch, then English, and then the French came. The same sequence followed in Bihar. First of all, the Portuguese came. Their trading center was in Hooghly, Bengal. From here, they used to bring spices, porcelain, etc. with them by boat to Patna, and in return, they used to take cotton and other clothes. Next question: which of the following statements is false? Lord Clive appointed Muzaffar Sons Miran as the deputy Nawab of Bihar. Yes. Ali Gauhar was coronated in the British factory in Patna. Yes. After consultation with the Court of Directors, Lord Clive implemented dual rule in Bengal and Bihar in 1765. Yes. There was a severe famine in Bihar and Bengal in 1750, not in 1750, in 1770. 1770. Right option. This statement is wrong, so right option will be D. The work of revenue collection was done very harshly and tyrannically, due to which the economic condition of the farming class and common people became worse. In 1770 AD, there was a severe famine in Bihar and Bengal. Such a severe famine had not occurred in this area in the last 2 centuries. The erstwhile district of Bihar, Patna, Bhagalpur, Darbhanga, and Purnia were most affected by the famine. Next question. Consider the following statements. Greek traveler Megasthenes came to India during the time of Chandragupta Maurya. Yes. The traveler of Syria came to India during the time of Bindusara in Damascus. Yes. Mullah Taqiya came to Bihar during Akbar's time. Yes. Muhammad Sadiq came to Bihar at the time of Jahangir. Yes. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, right option will be D. All of the above statements are correct. Next question. Which port of Bihar has recently been connected to the international waterway? Gai Ghat. Right option will be A. The operation of cargo ship between Gai Ghat, Patna to Pandu, Guwahati in Assam under the Patna to Guwahati waterway under the central government's Gati Shakti Yojana started on 5th February. Next question. Which of the following statement is false? The Bihar Congress Cabinet passed the Bihar Tenancy Amendment Act, the main objective of which was to remove the difficulties faced by the farmers under the Tenancy Act. Yes. A person detained or expelled under the Bihar Safety Act were released. Yes. The Hindustani Committee was formed under the chairmanship of Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Yes. On December 20, 1937, All India Students' Day was celebrated in the Bihar Young Men's Institute under the chairmanship of Muhammad Iqbal, not under the chairmanship of Muhammad Iqbal, but under the chairmanship of Ram Briksha Benipuri. So statement D is wrong. So right option will be D. On December 8, 1937, a meeting was organized at Bihar Young's Institute in which a student union was established, whose president Nabi Imam and chief secretary Vishwanath Prasad were made. On December 20, 1937, All India Students' Day was celebrated in the Bihar Young Men's Institute under the chairmanship of Ram Briksha Benipuri, and students were encouraged to participate in politics. Next question. Which of the following statement is true? Individual Satyagraha started in Bihar on 28th November 1940. Yes. Sri Krishna Singh was the first Satyagrahi of Bihar. Yes. The second Satyagrahi was Anugrah Narayan Singh. Yes. Jagatrani Devi did personal Satyagraha in Gaya. Yes. So all of the above statements are true. So right option will be E, more than one. Individual Satyagraha started in Bihar on November 28, 1940, and Krishna Singh was the first Satyagrahi of Bihar. He was arrested and put in jail. Another Satyagrahi, Anugrah Narayan Singh, was stopped by Rajendra Prasad from doing Satyagraha until the assurance in received from the public to behave properly and comply with the prescribed orders. Next question. Which of the following statement is not true? In 1924-25, the Kisan Sabha was established in Munger by the Shah Muhammad Zubair and Sri Krishna Singh. Not in 1924-25, but in 1922-23 AD. The Kisan Sabha was established in Munger by Shah Muhammad Zubair and Sri Krishna Singh. Shah Muhammad Zubair was made the president, Sri Krishna Singh the vice president, and Siddheshwar Chaudhary and Nand Kumar Singh the secretaries. So statement A is wrong, and right option will be A. Shah Muhammad Zubair was made the president, Sri Krishna Singh was made the vice president. Yes. Swami Sahajanand Saraswati formally established the Kisan Sabha on March 4, 1928 at Bihta in Patna. Yes. In 1929, a meeting was organized on the occasion of Sonpur Fair and Provincial Kisan Sabha was established in the meeting. Yes. Right option will be A. Next question. In which year the process of child budgeting was started in Bihar? In 2013-14. Right option will be A. Next question. Consider the following statements. The first Bihar Kisan Sabha conference was held on November 17, 1929 at Sonpur, which was presided over by Swami Sahajanand Saraswati. Yes. The second Bihar Kisan Sabha conference was held in Gaya on August 29, 1943, which was presided over by Purushottam Das Tandon. Yes. Third Bihar Kisan Sabha conference was held in Hajipur, which was presided over by Swami Sahajanand Saraswati. Yes. So all statement 1, 2, 3 are correct. So right option will be E, none of the above. Next question, which of the following is false? The early prominent revolutionaries of Bihar were Dr. Gyanendra Nath, Kedarnath Banerjee and Baba Thakur Das. Yes, Baba Thakur Das established Ramakrishna Society in Patna in 1906-7. Yes. In 1907 AD, Khudiram Bose and Prafulla Chandra Chaki tried to assassinate District Judge Kingsford in Muzaffarpur, not in 1907 but in 1908. So, this statement is wrong. So, right option will be C. Prafulla Chaki committed suicide to escape from the police. Yes. In 1908 AD, Khudiram Bose and Prafulla Chandra Chaki tried to assassinate District Judge Kingsford in the Muzaffarpur and set an example by throwing a bomb. In this attempt, the wife and daughter of Muzaffarpur's lawyer Kennedy were killed by the deceased. Prafulla Chaki committed suicide to escape the police, but Khudiram Bose was arrested. Next question, which of the following statement is false? On 16th April 1930, Salt Satyagraha started in Bihar. Yes, Mahatma Gandhi prepared the outline of this movement in Bihar, not Mahatma Gandhi. Dr. Rajendra Prasad prepared the outline of this movement in Bihar. So, statement B is wrong, false. So, right option will be B. Salt Satyagraha was first started in Champaran and Saran in Bihar. Yes. On April 17, 1930, a group of 11 Salt Satyagrahis headed by Sri Krishna Singh left to Gogri from Munger. Next question, match list 1 and list 2 and select the correct answer from the quotes given below. List 1 Sufi Silsila and list 2 affiliated Sant. Firdausi Silsila affiliated Sant is Sarfuddin Yahya Maneri. So A का 1 हो जाएगा. सोहरावर्दी सिलसिला से एफिलिएटेड संत जो हैं वो हैं सिहाबुद्दीन पीर जगजोत. बी का 2 हो जाएगा. कादरी सिलसिला से एफिलिएटेड संत जो हैं वो हैं मखदूम शाह मोहम्मद मुन्नाम. सी का 3 हो जाएगा. चिश्ती सिलसिला से एफिलिएटेड जो संत है वो हैं मोहम्मद बिहारी. सो 1, 2, 3, 4 राइट ऑप्शन विल बी ए. Next question, which one of the following statements regarding Bihar is false? Its total area is 94.16 lakh hectares. Its shape is almost rectangular. Yes. It is 345 km long from north to south and 483 km wide from east to west. Yes. It is 14th largest state of India in terms of area, not 14th largest state. Bihar is the 12th largest state of India in terms of area. So, statement C is wrong and the right option will be C. Its area is 2.86% of total area of the country. Next question, which of the following statement is false? According to the population of 2011 census, according to the census 2011, the population of Bihar is 8.59% of the population of India. Yes. The average height of Bihar from sea level is about 35 meter, not 35 meter, 53 meter. In feet, 173 feet, not 137, 173 feet. So, statement B is wrong and the right option will be B. The distance of Bihar from the coastal region is about 200 km. Yes. The geographical boundary of Bihar has been determined by the rivers like Gandak, Ghaghra, Karmnasa and Ganga. Yes. Right option will be B. Next question, consider the following statements. Under the upper Vindhyan sequence, the rocks of Kaimur sequence are found in Rohtas and Kaimur district. Yes. Bihar is the leading state in the production of pyrite. Yes. The rocks of the Vindhyan order have been used in the construction of the tomb of Sher Shah Suri located in Sasaram, Stupa of Sarnath and Red Fort of Delhi and Jama Masjid. Yes. So 1, 2, 3, all statements are correct. So right option will be D, 1, 2, 3. Next question, which of the following statements are true? The world's largest tal area is found in the Kiul Harohar River Valley in Mokama. Yes. The plateau of Kaimur is also known as plateau of Rohtas. Yes. On the basis of geographical structure, Bihar has been divided into 3 geographical areas: Shivalik mountain range, Bihar plain, and southern plateau region. Yes, in Bihar, the rocks of the Dharwad series extend from Banka to Jammu. Yes, so right option will be E, all of the above. Next question, which of the following statement is false? Gaya is the hottest place in Bihar whose temperature remains up to 47 degrees Celsius. Yes. Kishanganj district receives maximum rainfall in Bihar. Yes. Kaimur district of Bihar receives the least rainfall. No. Aurangabad district of Bihar receives the least rainfall. So statement C is wrong. So right option will be C. More than 90% of makhana is produced in the northeastern part of Bihar. Yes, right option will be C. Next question, which of the following is not a true statement? The maximum cold in the state falls between the middle of January to middle of February, not middle of January to middle of February, middle of December to January. So statement A is wrong. So right option will be A. The temperature of the plain in the month of January in the state remains between 7.5 degrees Celsius to 10 degrees Celsius. Yes. The amount of rainfall decreases from north to south and from east to west in the state. Yes. Bihar receives 5 to 10% rainfall in winter. Yes. Right option will be A. Next question, the factors affecting the climate of Bihar are as follows. Proximity to the Bay of Bengal. बिल्कुल बे ऑफ बंगाल बे ऑफ बंगाल में यदि साइक्लोन आता है, लो प्रेशर जोन यहाँ पर क्रिएट होता है, ट्रफ लाइन वहाँ से पास करती है, तो उसका इफेक्ट बिहार के क्लाइमेट पे पड़ता है, तो ये सही है. द प्रेजेंस ऑफ हिमालयन इन द नॉर्थ. बिल्कुल हिमालय का जो प्रेजेंस है वो बिहार के क्लाइमेट को प्रभावित करता है, इसका इफेक्ट पड़ता है. जैसे मिडिल ईस्ट से आने वाली जो कोल्ड विंड है, ठंडी हवाएं हैं, या मेडिटेरेनियन सी से जो आने वाली कोल्ड विंड है, उसको हिमालय जो है इंडिया में इंटर करने से रोकता है, बिहार में इंटर करने से रोकता है, तो हिमालय का बिहार के क्लाइमेट पे इफेक्ट तो पड़ता है. प्लेटू एंड हिल्स इन द साउथ, इसका भी पड़ता है. काल बैसाखी जो प्री मानसून सावर जो है वेस्ट बंगाल में, काल बैसाखी, उसका भी इफेक्ट बिहार पे पड़ता है, बिहार के क्लाइमेट पे पड़ता है. तो 1, 2, 3, 4 चारों जो है ये फैक्टर्स हैं जो बिहार के क्लाइमेट पे इम्पैक्ट डालते हैं. सो राइट ऑप्शन विल बी बी, 1, 2, 3, 4. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ए फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट? द नेचर ऑफ बालसुंदरी सॉइल इज अल्कलाइन ड्यू टू द एक्सेस ऑफ लाइम. यस. एक्सपेंशन ऑफ रेड एंड येलो सॉइल इज फाउंड इन पटना, भागलपुर एक्सेट्रा डिस्ट्रिक्ट. नो. Red and yellow soil is spread in plateau areas of Banka, Jamui, Munger, Nawada and Gaya, etc. This soil is important for coarse cereals and pulses. So statement B is wrong and right option will be B. Red and yellow soil is formed from granite, gneiss and schist. Yes, red and yellow soils are rich in iron content. Yes, right option will be B. Next question, which of the following statement is false? The Ghaghra, Gandak and Karmnasa rivers form the boundary between Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. Yes. Mechi river is a tributary of Mahananda. Yes. The source of Kosi river is Chota Nagpur Plateau. No. This statement is wrong. Kosi river originates from the Gosainath peak situated on the borderline of Nepal and Tibet. So right option will be C. Bagmati river is considered to be the holiest river of Nepal. Yes. Next question, match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer from the course given below. Mahananda, confluence of Mahananda river and Ganges river is at Manihari near Katihar. So A का हो जाएगा 1. अजय रिवर, इसका कन्फ्लुएंस अजय रिवर और गंगा रिवर का कन्फ्लुएंस जो है वेस्ट बंगाल में है. ये बी का 2 हो जाएगा। सकरी रिवर एंड गंगा रिवर का कन्फ्लुएंस क्यूल एंड मोरहार रिवर्स, ये हाँ बिल्कुल सकरी, गंगा, क्यूल, मोरहर एंड सकरी, ये तीनों गंगा रिवर में आकर के मिलती है, तो सी का जो होगा वो 3 हो जाएगा। क्यूल गंगेश रिवर, सूरजगढ़, लखीसराय डिस्ट्रिक्ट, हाँ क्यूल एंड गंगेश रिवर का जो कन्फ्लुएंस है वो है लखीसराय डिस्ट्रिक्ट के सूरजगढ़ में। सो डी का जो हो जाएगा 4 हो जाएगा। तो 1 2 3 4 राइट ऑप्शन विल बी ए। ये सभी करेक्टली मैच्ड है, सही से दिया गया है सीक्वेंस। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू? कांवर लेक विच इज इन बेगूसराय डिस्ट्रिक्ट, इट इज ए लार्जेस्ट गोकुर लेक इन एशिया, यस। इट इज फॉर्म बाय द स्लाइडिंग ऑफ ओल्ड गंडक, यस। माइग्रेटरी बर्ड्स ऑफ साइबेरिया come here in winter season, yes, this statement is true. A bird banding station has been established here for research work, yes, this statement is also true. So right option will be E, all of the above. Next question, which of the following statements is false? The district benefited from Chandan irrigation project are Bhagalpur and Banka, yes, this statement is true. Kaimur district is the beneficiary district of Kahira dam, yes. The district benefited from the Mahabodhi irrigation project has is Gaya, Gone nahi, Gaya. So statement C is also true. Kaimur is the beneficiary district of Punpun reservoir, no. The district benefited from Punpun reservoir are Patna, Gaya and Jahanabad. So right option will be D. Next question, Sanjay Gandhi Biological Park is famous for as the largest center for rhinoceros breeding in Asia. Right option will be C. Next question, which of the following statement is or not true? The share of Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana center has been reduced to 70%. No, not 70%, 50%. So this statement is wrong. Right option will be A. Driver training cum research institute is being established in Aurangabad. Yes, this statement is true. In 2002, the rail zone of the Middle East Railway was established at Hajipur in Bihar. Yes. Bihar has the least length of railways per lakh population. Yes. So right option will be A. तो फ्रेंड्स, ये रहा पटना के परफेक्शन आईएएस के टेस्ट 6 के इंग्लिश मीडियम के क्वेश्चन का डिस्कशन। आप बने रहिए इस चैनल के साथ, मिलते हैं किसी दूसरे वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए थैंक यू वेरी मच।